Installing an I/O module board. Make sure that the system board and bridge board are installed. Lower the I/O module board at an angle to insert it into position. Make sure it is connected to the bridge board. Fasten the 6 screws as shown to secure the I/O module board. Insert the M.2 drive into the connector at an angle. Fasten the screw. To install the front I/O bezel, align the front I/O bezel with its slot on the front of the node and then insert the front I/O bezel into position. Fasten the 5 screws that secure the front I/O bezel. Connect the I/O module board power cable. Install the front operator assembly. Fasten the 3 screws to secure the front operator assembly to the node. Reconnect the cable to the front operator assembly. To install the drive cage, align the drive cage with the node. Install the drive cage. Fasten the 4 screws. Reconnect all the cables to the drive backplanes. Properly route and secure the cables in the node. Install the top cover onto the node.